Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. My name is Dmitry, and today we are servicing our Kubota LX2610. We have our first 50 hours on the machine, and we're doing the 50-hour service. And we've done a lot in 50 hours of using the machine. So, as you can see, our rust proofing held up awesome because during the 50 hours, we used it for snow removal quite a bit. And I'll show you some of the things we've done. We already started the project for the retaining wall that was kind of leaning, so we actually did a lot with that. And this machine worked together with our mini excavator. But as far as servicing it, yep, here it is. All the fluids gets changed using the original Kubota factory fluids, and then we put new filter, and we couldn't be happier with this machine. It definitely is the right setup, right accessories. All the goodies are in place. We already even tested the air conditioning, a couple hot days, and it works really, really good. So I'll show you what we've done with it outside so far. So here in New England, we're big on rocks, and when I say big, we are huge on rocks. There are areas where there's all about rocks and very little soil. So we had a retaining wall here that was right about where we have our AlphaCars sign, and it started to shift. So we decided to open this up a little bit and started to dig in using the mini excavator. And of course, everywhere you dig, like right here, it's all about rocks, and big ones and small ones. So we would pull out the rocks, put them in the Kubota, and then would drive a bunch of them way back at the end of the property, and then we would sort out the ones that we wanted to keep here by sizes, so we can work on the rock wall. And we have the little ones there, then we have the mid-size, a couple of big ones, and then it gets into the bigger ones. So, but without the machines, and certainly without the Kubota machine, we wouldn't be able to do any of this, or it would take us an unreal amount of time. Here's the mini excavator we use, and I will show you a couple other goodies that we are absolutely thrilled with. Here's the big tool rack cart that is highly functional. We certainly highly recommend it. We knew it's heavy duty, but it even exceeded those expectations. So we're absolutely thrilled with it, and we using it as a roll around cart. And of course, it connects to the to our Kubota. We have our front end loader that moved all those rocks. That's right there. Irreplaceable piece of equipment. And we also ordered it with this I forget the right name for it, the adjustment kit, automatic adjustment for the level. So it maintains the level of the bottom of the bucket always horizontal to the surface. And then we do have the mower deck right here, and it works also really good. And we also have a snow blower that we use. But as far as the machine itself, again, it's absolutely phenomenal. Really, really good. And look at the condition of the fender wells, and that's with the sprayed on undercoating that we've done. It's all like brand new. We're glad we moved the lights from here to here so they're not sticking out. We're not on public roads, and we wanted to keep them inward so we don't knock them off accidentally. And this can be used for arc light. We plan on doing that and a couple other things. And as you can see, after 50 hours, things look like brand new. Here's a cute little AC compressor to keep that cabin comfortable. So the first service on our LX2610 is all done. It's back to work, and we actually acquired another cool accessory, which is a quick connect Titan fork system. And it works really, really good. And as you know, with quick connect, or quick touch, it's a really nice, simple way to connect accessories to your Kubota. And we already tried it after the first service with the forks, and it works really, really good. So thanks for watching. Consider sharing, subscribing, and let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking the like button. My name is Dmitry, and until next time.